Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna change this brake lamp. It's gonna be a video how to change your brake bulb and also to change your lamp, because to change the lamp you have to take out the bulb. And this is a 2020 Hyundai Elantra. The bulb is blown, I don't know why, but the bulb is blown for the brake light. So if you get in their car and you start the car, once you start the car and you press the brake, it's gonna let you know check brake light right there, and it show you which side to check. So it's checking the right side. And I know this is the same. Let's go ahead and open the trunk. So this is the same way on how to change your brakes from 2017 come all the way up to 2020. The car might look different, but it's the same procedure of changing the brake. So let's get to this. We're gonna come here, we're gonna take this off right here. So once we take that off, so you can see we're gonna have one 10mm right here and another 10mm right there. So we're gonna need to take that off, and it's gonna be hard to come out, so don't expect it to be easy, but I find a nice little trick on how to do it, and it should help you. So you want to get your 10mm and a ratchet handle, and the link will be in the description for this as well. So you want to unscrew it all the way to the tip, don't take it all the way off. Same thing for this one. You want to bring it all the way out here, don't take it all the way off. If you try to rock and pull it, if you're trying to pull it, because you got to try to get it to go towards the rear of the car, not to the side. So you can try and pry it, you can try pull on it, it won't come out. So this trick I find how to remove it easy. So let's get to that. Alright, so once you have the screw out like this, you want to get your socket put over the screw, get your ratchet handle and knock it just like that. So knock this one up here, and once you knock it, you're gonna see it jump, it come loose like this. Okay, as you can see, somebody tried to pry here and they even messed the paint up because they tried to change it before, but it wasn't coming out, so they leave it like that. And now I just show you how to change the bulb from the 2017 and all the way to 2020, because they have the same design but it's shaped different on the 2019 and 2020, but they are the same procedure of taking out the lamp. So you would have to go ahead and unplug this right here just by squeezing this right here and pull back on it. You can push this in like this, and you will go ahead and remove the tail lamp just like this. So you see how easy I did that, guys. So you will get your new tail lamp if you're replacing the new tail lamp and put it on. But since we're not replacing the tail lamp, we're just replacing the bulb, even though it's the same procedure. You have to take the tail lamp out because you don't have anything here to get access to the bulb. So let's get to the bulb now. So what you need to do, you need to locate which one is your brake, your bulb, brake bulb or turn signal, because it will be the same way to change your turn signal. So you have a turn signal right here, your brake right here, and you have another park lamp right here. So we're going to change the turn signal, so we're going to change the brake. So you just go ahead and twist this out, pull back on it, and you can see the bulb that is not, you can see it's broken on the inside. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's broken on the inside. And let's go ahead and replace it. Alright guys, so the compressor going off, but I hope you guys can still hear me. I'm gonna try and talk as loud as I hope you guys can hear me. So the bulb it take is gonna be 2057, so 2057, and you want one part is lower than the other, so you want to make sure you find the part that take the lower side and you find the part that take the high side. So I'm gonna go ahead, that work, but in case you put it the other way it won't lock. So once you put it down and it won't lock, you just take it out, push it the other way, turn it, and it will lock. And you can go ahead and put it back in here, find the correct groove, lock that back into place. Also it's the same for the turn signal. You would pull this out like that and replace it just like that and put it back in just like that. So let me show you guys. I know these are hard to come out. As you can see, somebody was trying to take this one out because the bulb was broken and they couldn't take it out. I guess they got afraid, they got scared of breaking the lamp, because my first video I did it like this, it was hard to come out, but I didn't scratch the paint. I put like a board there to do it on my first video on the 2017. So let's go ahead guys, put it back in same way you take it out. So you want to get this right here. Let's go ahead and get that. So guys, you want to run this through here. Just like that. And then you want to make sure this right here slide into this right here. Once you line it up, just give it a nice small tap and it should go in and be flush with the vehicle. On the inside, this right here, you just want to pull it like this. Let's pull it side to side and it will come through and lock into place like that, so you don't so when rain fall it don't leak into the vehicle, so that's sealed properly. Go ahead and plug it back into place, and also get your 10 millimeters. And tighten it back up. You don't have to over tighten it, just tighten it a little bit. You don't need a torque spec for this. Just don't over tighten it. As you see, I don't tighten it that much. The lamp won't come out. You can go ahead and put this back into its position that it was in first. Once that is done, we come back here. And see, you say check the brake light still, but once you press the brake, it's gonna read that the brake light is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the brake, and you see it turn off. So it read that the lights are good, and that's it guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, help me grow. Peace out, see you next time.